Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And in today's video, we are talking about the best paper deals over at Walgreens until Saturday, March the 1st. We are going to be placing these orders curbside. There are a couple discount codes that you can throw in with the order to get it for a lot less, and it's much cheaper than buying it in store, and I'm going to show you this in a second. So you are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app. You're hitting the box that says pickup, putting your order in, paying for it, and driving to the store and getting it. Because none of these deals are predicated with spend 5, get back 10, or some sort of a booster. Even if they cancel part of your order, still go and get it, because here's the deal. We're just looking for cheap discounted paper. There is no offer with it, so they will reconcile your money where the balance that you had to pay for, if some of it's canceled, you won't have to pay that. It'll just simply be only Walgreens cash. Hopefully you're following what I'm saying. All of these deals, except for one, hinge on this, which is an extra 20% off when you spend $35 site-wide with the code FLASH20. And I did all of these deals this morning, and everything was rocking, rolling, and working. And as stated, because it's not a deal where you're getting Walgreens cash back or something like that, even if they are short a couple, it doesn't really matter in the wash. Deal number one, let's look right at it. We are going to be going with 3 of these 9 counts of the Cottonelle for $30. And a lot of you have been asking specifically for this brand. Unfortunately, there is no IBOTTA or digital coupons, but that code is working with these products. So we're going right for $35 of nothing but your favorite Cottonelle. And a lot of you love this brand specifically. And I understand it's rather spectacular, but I'll use whatever's on sale that week. So we are going to throw in our friend, which is Flash20, to save $7. So this is how I personally would do it if you can swing it. Your subtotal is $35, $7 coming off with Flash20, free curbside pickup and tax. The total there is $29.68. If you possibly have $20 in Walgreens cash, throw it into this and pay $9.68 as your balance. And why I would do this is you have to spend your Walgreens cash sooner or later. You just can't keep it all as a bank account. It's not how it works. So if you have a lot and you love Cottonelle, this is a great deal to use some of your Walgreens cash to get a product that your household really uses. The next quick deal that we're looking at, and this one is really, really extreme, and hopefully you can go as extreme as I. It is to grab 18 of the 4 packs of the Walgreens brand toilet paper. I believe this is very similar to Charmin. Some of your stores might give you a limit of up to 12 or up to 4, but if you can push it the 12 plus, grab 12 of one, and then for the second, which is the strong one, you're going to grab 6 for a total of 18 packages of these. So that is a total of 72 rolls of this paper. So just to show you the total here, $7.20 coming off with Flash20. The overall total is $35.82. $7.20 with Flash20, free curbside pickup, tax. The total's $30.34. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $10.34 and call this a very good deal. With this much paper, you'll have a good amount. And I believe this paper is very similar to Charmin, but that's just my opinion. I have used it many times in our household. Okay, the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 3. This is if you just have a little bit of Walgreens cash to burn and you just want to try something. You're either going to grab the Walgreens brand 6-count paper towel, or they have a 9-count, which is similar to Angel Soft, and they are $3.99 a pop, and we are grabbing 3 of them for $11.97. Now, you are not at that $35 mark to use the other code, but you can use WAG10 to save an extra $1.20 off right here. And then just to show you, $11.97 subtracting $1.20, the total's $11.42. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay the $1.42 and call this a very smart deal. If you wanted to go large, the second deal is fantastic. If you are a Cottonelle, you really want Cottonelle in your stockpile or in your house, the first deal, obviously. Yes, you are paying out a little bit of Walgreens cash, but you guys, you have to spend it. You just can't like frame it and put it on the wall. So if you're carrying around $100 or $200, start spending a little bit of it today on some of these deals. And if you missed it yesterday, more curbside deals, cheap Persil, cheap L'Oreal Midnight, and that scary little doll in the center, if that's your thing. Check out the video. I'll link it right here, and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.